Our skills with the Pico carry over to other interesting boards. Today I want to look at this small circular display, which has an onboard RP2040 processor, the Waveshare RP2040 Touch LCD 1.28. This little display could be an ideal touchscreen interface to a small project or a wearable device. The screen looks very similar to the touchscreen that makes up my Samsung smartwatch. Hi, I'm John, your concierge to the world of the Raspberry Pi Pico, Pico 2, robotics, IoT and other fun tech. Remember to subscribe and join the community. This is my 3-minute summary to my hands-on review of this Waveshare RP2040 Touch LCD 128. If you have time, why not check out the full video? The RP2040 Touch is an RP2040 device with a circular 240 by 240 TFT display, the touch interface and an IMU. It's a small watch-like screen with a USB-C interface and a few GPIO lines broken out as well. Sadly, it doesn't provide SWD, which I think is a big concern for me as a developer. Waveshare have some demos to get you going with this and a wiki. They build easily and show off the hardware display, touch interface which is really responsive. Though the library could be better documented, they are fairly easy to get going with. I managed to drive the display LCD screen easily and get touch working. The IMU I could get data from, but the more advanced functions I struggled with due to a lack of documentation on the library. The support for LVGL really interested me in this device, a full GUI touch interface. The support for LVGL really interested me in this device, full touch GUI interface. Though the demo is for an older version of LVGL, the demo structure is also quite difficult to reproduce for your own projects. I did manage to get a simple demo using LVGL up and running on the device though. So generally, I like the device, though I'm a little bit concerned of not having SWD available for debugging. The libraries appear to be really fit for purpose, but poorly documented. The demos is not written as a project you could build from either, which is a bit of a problem. If you like the video and it helps your learning or projects, why not drop me a cash tip using the super thanks button below the video. Remember, I'm saving these up to get myself to open source in San Francisco next year. I appreciate your help in getting me there and I hope to see you there too. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then please do hit that like button and please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next video. Bye bye for now.